The Parthenon is an ancient temple located on the Acropolis of Athens, which was the center of the city's political and cultural life in ancient Greece. It was built in the 5th century BCE and is considered one of the finest examples of classical Greek architecture. The temple is dedicated to Athena, the patron goddess of Athens, and was designed to be a grand and impressive structure that would reflect the power and wealth of the city. The Parthenon is known for its distinctive columns, which are fluted and have a capital in the form of a scroll. These columns, along with the temple's triangular pediments and frieze, are decorated with relief sculptures depicting myths and legends from Greek mythology. The temple's frieze, in particular, is famous for its depiction of the Panathenaic procession, which was a yearly celebration in honor of Athena. The temple also housed many important religious and governmental artifacts, including the famous statue of Athena Parthenos, which was made of gold and ivory and was one of the most valuable objects in ancient Greece. The Parthenon was a central feature of the Acropolis and played a crucial role in the religious, political, and cultural life of ancient Athens. It was the site of important festivals and ceremonies, and it was also a symbol of the city's wealth and power. In addition to its architectural and cultural significance, the Parthenon is also renowned for its historical significance. It was built during the height of the Greek city-state of Athens, which was a major cultural and intellectual center in the ancient world. The city was home to philosophers, writers, and scholars, and its citizens were known for their love of learning and pursuit of knowledge. The Parthenon was built by the Athenian statesman Pericles, who was the leader of Athens during its golden age. Pericles oversaw a number of construction projects on the Acropolis, including the Parthenon, and was instrumental in the development of the city's cultural and intellectual life. He supported the arts and sciences, and under his leadership, Athens became a center of learning and innovation. The city was home to some of the greatest minds of the ancient world, including Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, and it was a hub of intellectual activity and debate. Unfortunately, the Parthenon suffered damage and looting in the 17th century CE, when it was used as a gunpowder magazine by the Ottoman Turks. It has undergone several restoration projects over the years, and today it is a major tourist attraction and is considered a symbol of ancient Greek civilization. Despite its history of damage and restoration, the Parthenon remains a stunning and iconic structure that is admired by people all over the world. It is a symbol of the enduring legacy of ancient Greece and its cultural and intellectual achievements. The temple is a testament to the genius and creativity of the ancient Greeks, and it continues to inspire people today with its beauty and grandeur.